In this aid, we will voice our actually own and market's viewpoint on JST future while examining the simply cost conjecture for 2022 and then some, or so they sort of thought. If it's not too much trouble, especially remember that you ought to believe this and any by and large other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything especially is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like just, or so they truly thought. Presently, we should head into it in an every way that really matters, large way. Before we dig profound into the simply value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that JST for the most part is a genuinely wise venture or not. For what reason will JST by and large succeed or really come up short, or for what reason will value rise or drop? We should rapidly in a real sense toss a look at what JST sort of is and its to-date history in a significant manner. JST value expectation for the following 90 days, which for the most part is very critical. The entire crypto world essentially is on an edge of an undeniable sort of bear market, which especially is very critical. Bitcoin in a real sense has for the most part drooped half from its record-breaking commonly high in the midst of the more extensive market truly drops influenced by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Or so they thought. Financial backers in a real sense are selling dangerous resources and moving into considerably more certainly stable business sectors amazingly. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous by and large play, and thus the auction, which generally is very critical. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year, or so they in a real sense thought. This explicitly is really reflected in our 2022 forecasts, which is genuinely critical. At the present time, Bitcoin generally needs to, in every practical sense, find a neighborhood base before we can move in the genuinely inverse bearing and in every practical sense, alter the course genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will by and large beginning to really do likewise. We sort of have seen this situation many generally times in the separated and sort of later history, which generally is genuinely huge. Our cost expectation model is negative for the genuinely next 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in a truly significant manner. We in a real sense expect whales and really other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike. In spite of mainstream thinking, Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each undertaking in an every practical sense, large way. Basics that we truly assess sort of our group: tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative kind of potential, and some sort of other sort of exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, which sort of is very critical. 2022-11-20 amazingly. 4.94% $0, 0234 2022 1121 in an unobtrusive manner. 0.72% $0, 0244 2022 1122 or so they in every practical sense thought. Plus 1.75% $0, 0250 2022 1123 showing how this especially is reflected in our 2022 forecasts in a huge way. 2.35% $0, 0240 2022 1124 or so they generally thought. Plus 1.30% $0, 0249 2022 1125 lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. 1.04% $0, 0243 2022 1126 in a really significant manner. 5.08% $0, 0233 2022 1127 which generally is genuinely critical. 3.04% $0, 0238 2022 1128 in an unpretentious manner. Plus 1.69% $0, 0250 2022 1129. 1.14% $0, 0243 2022 1130 incredibly. 2.42% 2 cents simply value forecast 2022, or so they most certainly thought. Most of specialists explicitly concur that this certainly bear market will commonly endure at in every practical sense. At least for the main quarter of 2022 preceding, we truly see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions, which is very critical. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be in an essentially large manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 deck, which is very huge. 19.24% $0, 0199 2023 Jan, or so they truly thought. 29.21% $0, 0174 2023 Feb. 22.89% $0.01902023 blemish, 18.28% $0.02012023 APRA, 8.57% $0.02252023 may in a significant manner, 11.18% $0.02182023 Jun, which sort of is genuinely huge, 6.19% $0.02312023 Joel in a very enormous manner, plus 9.20% $0.02682023 Og, which for the most part is very critical, plus 5.19% $0.02592023 SEP, which is genuinely huge, plus 14.09% $0.02802023 OC, plus 25.12% $0.03082023 NOV, which essentially is genuinely critical, plus 26.00% 3 cents JST value expectation 2025. Our forecast model sees JST coming to 5 cents in 2025, which is genuinely huge. What will JST in a real sense be worth in 5 years, or so they generally thought? The cost of JST in 5 years could essentially lie around $0 fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Simply value forecast 2030 to 2040 in a genuinely significant manner. What in all likelihood will for the most part be genuinely worth in 2030 and in every way that really matters, enormous way. Our estimating model sees simply coming to $0 in 2030, which by and large is genuinely critical. What in all likelihood will especially be exceptionally worth in 2040, or so they essentially thought. Our gauging model sees simply coming to $0 in 2040, in opposition to prevalent thinking, will simply supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin, which certainly is very huge. No, in all likelihood won't in every way that really matters, supplant or explicitly surpass BTC in an especially large manner, can just basically reach 10 cents in a kind of large manner. Indeed, simply can fundamentally reach 10 cents toward the finish of 2025, can simply reach $1 for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for just to reach $1 in the short or midterm period, which is very huge, can just really reach $10 in a very enormous manner. No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for just to reach $10 in the fundamentally short or midterm period, which most certainly is very huge. How most certainly high will simply go, which is very critical. Our gauging model sees simply cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future in an especially significant manner. This very worth purchasing, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. We truly don't see a very splendid future for just, which generally is genuinely huge. It is exceptionally worth purchasing just as a very momentary hypothesis with a very decent leap technique. Simply is definitely not a decent long haul fundamentally hold in a significant manner. Is only a generally